Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming coverage where you'll use the hotspot. This avoids buying a device that won't perform. Next, choose between prepaid or monthly service and pick a compatible hotspot device at Lowe's. Stick to models the store supports. Once you have your device, bring a valid ID and payment method to complete the purchase or activation. Finally, unbox the hotspot and keep the quick start guide. That guide tells you the SIM slot, default SSID, and Wi-Fi password you'll need right away. Power up your hotspot after inserting the SIM or connecting its eSIM profile. Charging fully prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Once on, locate the default SSID and password printed on the unit and connect one device to verify basic networking. Then register the hotspot through Lowe's activation flow or the carrier's app. Enter the device IMEI, SIM number, and your account details so the line is provisioned. Make sure APN settings are correct if your device prompts you. And you finish by testing the hotspot where you will use it most. Check web pages, stream a short video, and run a speed check to confirm expected performance. Once satisfied, secure the device, change the SSID and Wi-Fi password, update the admin password, and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Finally, choose a data plan and monitor usage to avoid overages. If activation or no service persists, the most effective troubleshooting tip is to power cycle the unit and reprovision the SIM. Then contact Lowe's support with your IMEI ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.